We've been touring through Egypt and Jordan. It's unbelievable to me how much of the story has been filled in.
I think the benefit of the trip is in looking at how the biblical lands play into the Bible, how we can see the cultural and historic context of the Bible come alive when we're in these places. To be able to float down the Nile, literally in a boat like the pharaohs of old, was amazing.
I came here knowing full well I was going to see the pyramids of Giza. And to go through and see the treasury at Petra, like these epically huge, like wonders of the world. The surprising part was getting to going kind of in the back villages and seeing a family of brick makers in Egypt. We were hands-on, we put our hands in it and we formed the bricks. It went from the massive and the huge to the small things, the hands-on things. Those were great.
There were key moments in the trip, like standing in one of the temples, and there's a sense in which you realize Moses was probably here. It's like the biblical story came alive.
If we don't understand the context, the places that they were coming from, the culture that they were going back and forth with, then we're going to have trouble understanding the story fully. And so this has brought all of those pieces together for me.
This is a trip for both people who are theologians, pastors, as well as those who don't know the Bible really well. A trip like this really expands your understanding, deepens your faith, helps you put the redemptive story of God into place. I'm a pastor, I'm a teacher. I wanted to up my biblical game. I wanted to know these places and feel like I had walked the stories.